Coming up on today's Disney Roundup, new characters including the Mandalorian and Grogu are coming to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, Disneyland pauses the sales for all new Magic Key passes, and when The Mandalorian Season 3 will be coming to Disney+. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting with Parks News this week, starting now, guests are able to see new Star Wars characters in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Last week during Star Wars Celebration 2022, Disney revealed that to continue to grow the land alongside the storytelling, new characters and their stories will be coming to Galaxy's Edge, along with new destinations will be coming to Star Tours. This already starting over this past weekend, guests will now be able to see Boba Fett and Fennec Shand roaming the grounds, with Mando and Grogu also announced to make appearances in the future. No dates on when they can be spotted in the land have been announced at this time. This too only taking place for the time being at Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland, as Walt Disney World was not included in the announcement for these characters. Now, even with nothing being said for Disney World, we can definitely expect these characters to arrive at Hollywood Studios at some point. Some people are saying the reason nothing has been worked in yet is from the timeline the Galactic Star Cruiser is, and Disney trying to keep the thematic integrity there. I also think it's due to the popularity of these characters, of course being Mando and Grogu. With them, I don't think you can have them casually walking around the land without being stopped every other step with someone wanting a picture, and with how crowds are at Hollywood Studios. That being said, when they do arrive, I think they'll be placed somewhere like Star Wars Launch Bay, where guests can get that so desired photo and interaction with them, and Disney will be able to cash out on it too, as I imagine it will be a very high demand. They will be able to add it to Genie Plus, or maybe even sell individual lightning lanes for it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below though, and if this were to happen, would you pay extra for a meet and greet with Mando and Grogu? Just announced yesterday, Disneyland has stopped selling their Magic Key annual passes. As of Tuesday, May 31st, Disneyland has stopped selling all tiers for their Magic Key annual passes. Lower tiers such as the Enchant and Imagine Pass were being sold prior, but are not at this time. If you are a current Magic Key holder, you will be able to renew though when the time comes. Like with Walt Disney World annual passes, it's uncertain if or when new Magic Key sales will resume. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned though, and I'll keep you posted with any news moving forward. Opening over this past weekend, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is now open for all guests at Epcot. Cosmic Rewind had its official opening this past Friday, May 27th, with boarding groups or individual lightning lane required to ride. Boarding groups can be made as others are, with distribution times being at 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. in the park, along with individual lightning lane can be purchased first thing for the ride at 7 a.m. Individual lightning lanes price range from $14 to $17, $17 just being for over this past weekend, but could change in the future. It said on opening day, both boarding groups and individual lightning lanes filled up within seconds and continue to do so throughout the holiday weekend. Also, as previously said, reports coming out saying some guests were experiencing motion sickness from the ride, and it seemed to be enough to where Disney has acknowledged it, as when exiting the ride, trash cans are placed in the area and cast members are offering motion sickness bags to guests if needed. Let me know if you plan on riding Cosmic Rewind on your next visit to Epcot though in the comments down below. Guess who will be soon eating at the Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater at Hollywood Studios? Be aware a new menu is coming starting tomorrow, June 2nd. Starting tomorrow, Sci-Fi Dine-In will have a new menu with offerings including appetizers, entrees, and desserts. New appetizer items include the Sci-Fi smoked wings, a spinach and artichoke dip, the black garlic Caesar salad, and the grilled chicken citrus salad. New and returning burgers to the menu are the feature film burger, Surf and Turf, which is a beef burger served served on a brioche bun and topped with a shrimp and crab cake, pepper jack cheese, chipotle hollandaise sauce, grilled onions, tomato, arugula, and house-made vinaigrettes. Returning is the pork on pork burger as a permanent spot on the new menu, which is a grilled house-made pork patty topped with roasted pork belly, white sharp cheddar cheese, caramelized onions, cabbage slaw, and a house-made Carolina mustard sauce. New desserts include the Red Planet being a white chocolate cheesecake with blueberry, and the Out of This World Sci-Fi Swirl, which is a pineapple mousse. If you want to check out the menu for Sci-Fi, I will make sure to leave a link to that in the description down below. Now, in the company news, announced over this past week, Disney and Lucasfilm have revealed when The Mandalorian Season 3, along with other series, will be coming to Disney+. Last week, at the Star Wars Celebration 2022 in Anaheim, it was revealed for some upcoming series and films on when they would be released. Lucasfilm revealed that Ahsoka just began production and is currently set to debut sometime next year in 2023. The first teaser trailer was released for Andor and will be coming to Disney Plus this fall, August 31st. While no title or further information on the film was announced, the newest Star Wars film directed by Taika Waititi is currently set for release late 2023, and the much anticipated Season 3 of The Mandalorian is scheduled for release on Disney Plus this February 2023. It was also said in an interview following the announcement with Cinema Blend that Jon Favreau is already working on a Season 4 for The Mandalorian. A teaser trailer or any further details were not announced for the series, but make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted with any future news on Season 3 for The Mandalorian. Yesterday morning, Good Morning America shared the first teaser trailer for Disney's live-action Pinocchio. Directed by Robert Zemeckis, this live-action retelling of the beloved tale of a wooden puppet who embarks on a thrilling adventure to become a real boy. Tom Hanks stars as Geppetto, the woodcarver who builds and treats Pinocchio as if he were his own son. Joseph Gordon-Levitt is Jiminy Cricket, who serves as Pinocchio's guide, as well as his conscience. Erivo is the Blue Fairy, and Keegan-Michael Key is Honest John. Pinocchio premieres on Disney Plus September 8th of this year, which is also the date for this year's Disney Plus Day, as Disney is moving it sooner to then lead into this year's D23 Expo. If you want to check out the full teaser trailer, I will make sure to leave a link to that in the description down below. Alright everyone, well that's all for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all for this week, and until next time, we will see you on the DRU.